Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and actually I'm on an Airbnb, and they asked me to come out and take a look at some of the things, make sure the property manager was doing the job correctly. And of course we see some things going on in the driveway that needs to be reported, and they don't even know about it. See how my asphalt is literally coming up and out, and falling out? Well, that's not uncommon, especially on the mountains where we're at. We're down here in easy for me to say, Tennessee. But what I want to share my handrail here. This is, look at this. We're on the mountains here. It just totally it's a long ways down quick. But look here. So the handrails are important here, but look at this handrail. We're leaning on it, and this is how we're seeing. Look at that. It's just shaking. Look at it go. And it shakes all the way down. See that? Can you see that all the way down? The whole thing shakes. Wow. Well, I don't think that's safe, folks. Don't be drinking and leaning. All right, that failed. Anyway, if you got Airbnb and you don't want to get sued, this is why you call us. We come out and inspect them. Make sure you're getting what you paid for. Job's being done right, and nobody's going to get hurt, and only enjoy your property. In this case, watch out. Anyway, thanks, folks, for watching our videos. Hey, if you like them, hit like and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, Rumble. We're out there on Instagram, everywhere. Just hit and like and share. We appreciate it. And we appreciate all the support. Thanks. Have a great day.